Okay, Assalamualaikum. Today I will talk about method VR. Okay, first method VR. We will start with need analysis. So what that we need to analysis is evaluation of the sports. The evaluation of sport is like training status. For example, the athlete beginner, intermediate, or professional, or advanced. Or next, the type of training program. Or before this, do our client or athlete have themselves a training program, and the length of the previous training program that they had before, and the degree of the exercise that they can done or they can do it. Next, assessment of the athlete. Okay, I proceed to the exercise selection. First, exercise type. Second, movement analysis. Third, availability of resistance training equipment. Okay, for the exercise type, it be divided by two. First is core, mean doing exercise that involve large muscle, and another one is resistance exercise, that mean doing exercise that involve small group of muscle. Okay, next I proceed to the training frequency. Okay, for the beginner, there will only training for 2 or 3 days per week, and intermediate 3 to 4 days per week, and next is advanced 4 to 7 days per week. Okay, next I'll proceed to exercise order. Okay, first, superset. Superset is doing 2 exercises that stress 2 opposite muscle. To make it more clear, like we do exercise that involve agonist and antagonist. Means like we do bicep curl that involve bicep and tricep, agonist and antagonist muscle. Next is compound set. Compound set is sequentially perform 2 different exercises for the same muscle group. Okay, for example, we do 10 reps of bench press, and then we do 10 reps also incline press. Okay. Okay, next I will proceed to training load. Okay, first, strength. 1 repetition maximum is above 85, and the repetition is below 6. Okay, power is 1 rep is 75 to 90, and the repetition is 1 to 5. Hypertrophy 67 to 85, the repetition is 6 to 12. Muscular endurance below 67, and the repetition is above 12. Okay, next we proceed to the volume. For the volume, strength repetition is below 6, and the set is 2 to 6. Power, the repetition is 1 to 5, and set is 3 to 5. For hypertrophy, the repetition is 6 to 12, and the set is 3 to 6. For muscular endurance, above 12 for repetition and 2 until 3 sets for muscular endurance. Okay, lastly, rest period. First, strength 2 to 5 minutes of rest. Next is power, also 2 to 5 minutes of rest. Next, hypertrophy 30 seconds to 1.5 minutes for rest. And lastly, muscular endurance 30 seconds of rest. Okay, that's all for me for the explanation of method VR. Thank you.